This is HelpScreen and this is how to fix StealthCam Command Pro app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so just simply follow along. So guys, I'm gonna show you multiple solutions for this video. So for the first one, just go to your Google Play Store. And now from here, just search for the app StealthCam Command Pro app. And now guys, just tap on the application. And then from here, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when Command Pro have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now for the second solution, just go to your settings on your device and tap on the apps. And then from here, guys, just go to the Command Pro application. And then from here, tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And if this doesn't work, guys, the last solution that you have is reinstalling the application on your device. So first uninstall the app, and then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again. And then from there, you should have a working Command Pro application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!